Hello, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. Today I have something super cool to show you. This is a Wells Index Model 860. It has a vertical head and it has a horizontal spindle. The housing for the horizontal spindle also acts as a riser block and gives you extra room from the spindle, the vertical spindle to the table. The vertical spindle is 30 taper and the horizontal spindle is 40. Both the horizontal and vertical drive are ran by a 2 horsepower motor. It's 3-phase, 208 to 230 and 460. The vertical head and the horizontal drive are both variable speed. The vertical head has power feed on the quill. Also has a servo power feed for the x-axis. The table is 9" by 46.5". So this is the vertical spindle going forward in high drive. Power feed on the quill. And to put it in back gear, and this will be lower spindle speeds. You can see it has both ranges on the tag. And the horizontal spindle basically uses the same drive as the vertical. Has high and low gear, variable speed, 2 horsepower motor. And the drive's really quiet too. So the machine's in really nice condition. There's not a lot of damage or mill marks or nicks or anything on the table. Top of the knee looks good. It's got a tray on the bottom if you wanted to run coolant on it. I don't see any coolant coming out of it now. One-shot lube. But the one downside is, normally you'd be able to rotate the turret around and there'd be an arbor support that would slide onto the dovetail to give you extra support if you had a long arbor. I didn't get it. I don't think they're probably real easy to find. You could still use it with a stub shaft or a standard end mill holder, shell mill holder, something like that. But it'd be really good if it had the horizontal arbor support with it. And it looks like Index has still has a model similar to this. I'm not sure if they're exactly the same and the arbor support would work for it, but it would definitely make it more versatile. Thanks for looking.